Hi guys, this is Miss Remy here. Welcome to my channel. If it is your first time here, welcome. Thank you so much to my current subscribers for your support. And if you are a returned viewer who haven't subscribed to this channel, please do because you are appreciated as well. What are you waiting for? So today's video is about this beautiful hair treatment for your dry hair. Let's get right into it and stay tuned. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, let's get into this hair mask, okay? This treatment. If your hair is dry, you have a lot of split ends, and you want to restore your curls pattern, this treatment is for you. This video is for you, okay? I hope you stay tuned to watch it. So, you will need only 4 to 5 things for this treatment. I will also try to tell you a little bit about each item which you can get on Amazon or your local food store. Okay guys, right now I am scooping some moringa powder into the bowl. You can get the leaves if you want to, but just make your life easier, just get the powder, okay? I will just tell you a little bit about moringa. Okay, moringa is great in omega-3. It has zinc, which helps with healthy hair follicles. It promotes hair growth as well, okay? And right now, fenugreek. Oh my god, I cannot wait for me to do more experiments with fenugreek. Okay, so they also have the powder, but I got the seed. Why? Because I wanted more for my buck. Okay, because a little bit goes a long way. Excuse the background noise. So I ground it and I used warm water just to get the slimy slippery texture that I wanted. As you will see, that little bowl is small. I had to change it to a bigger bowl. Like I said, a small amount goes a long way. I went back and blended again so I could get that really creamy texture without the seeds in it, because if you add it in your hair just like that, listen, you're going to like want to cut your hair off. Don't do that. So I drain it. To drain it, I use some cheesecloth. You can use a pantyhose or stockings if you have that, or any type of cloth or piece of fabric that looks like that, but do not use a kitchen drainer because it's not going to work out for you. All right, look at how, like, the sliminess, the slipperiness. Oh my god, you already know it's going to be amazing for your hair. All right, so what I did, I added that back to the cup and put the avocado. You guys know how I love avocado is such a great vegetable. It's great for your skin. It's great for you to consume. It's amazing. So avocado helps with sealing cuticle cells. It has biotin, magnesium. It makes the hair shiny. It also makes the hair smooth so much. Okay, and I added honey, which you will not see in this video. I don't even know why, but blend it together with the honey. Okay, so honey has humectant property. That's amazing. Okay, it helps smooth hair follicles, restore the natural hair luster, which is amazing. This is why we're doing this, so you could restore your natural curls pattern. And the last thing is oil. Okay, so add any oil of your choice. It could be avocado oil, it could be olive oil, it could be jojoba oil. You can also add some type of essential oil for the smell to make it smell good. As you'll see, I added avocado oil and olive oil, also some of my Haitian castor oil. Okay, so continue to watch. The second most important thing in this process of treatment, giving your hair some love, restoring your hair, your curls pattern, is the process of doing that. Okay, you will need aluminum foil, and you will need plastic wrap. As you guys know, whenever I have to do a treatment for my hair, I do not add heat because I don't have the time to sit under dry. Okay, so I use the wrap just to apply heat into the hair. If you have a dryer, you can do that. If you want to relax while you do it, read a book, okay, that's fine. But for me, you need this. You need the at least the wrap. Okay, so I use aluminum foil. I did not directly put the aluminum foil on my hair because I don't think you should do that. It's not healthy. So what I did, I used a piece of plastic wrap and wrapped the ends of my hair, just the ends of my hair, and put some oil in it. And after I wrapped it with the plastic wrap, and I took the aluminum foil and wrapped it so it could apply the heat, it could activate the heat within the plastic wrap. Okay, then after that, I took all the hair, kind of put it in in one ponytail, then take the plastic wrap and wrap all my hair all together, and then I left that for about an hour or hour and a half. You can leave it for as long as you want, but make sure it is more than 30 minutes. Okay, just continue to wash. You must do this if you want to restore your ends, especially if your hair is struggling with split ends, because some of us, it's not because we're not moisturizing our hair that's why we have a lot of split ends. It's because of our hair texture and our hair follicles always naturally open. Okay, but for some of you, you guys not moisturizing. Okay, and I'm judging you, but I forgot what I was gonna say, and that's what happened when I'm judging you guys. Sorry. Look at that, guys. Look at that. Look at that. See? Healthy. Next thing is to moisturize my hair, keep all that good moisture that I've added in my hair. So I normally do the LCO method. What method do you guys use? I do the LCO plus my own method. I mix it, So the LCO, it's basically liquid, which is leave-in conditioner or water, and then hair cream and some oil just to seal in all the moisture that you just put in your hair. It depends on your hair type as well. As for my hair types, I need to seal in the moisture. Okay, the leave-in conditioner I used in this video is Not Today by Kinky Curly, and the hair cream is Twisted Definition by Curl Dynasty. The oil that I use to lacking all the moisture is Miss Grace by Kanitha here. Everything will be listed in the description bar below, so you'll be able to access all of them as well. Okay, and guys, what do you use after you wash your hair? Do you use the twist or the braids? If I do braids, it would have to be maybe the next time I add moisture, because it really helps me to retain moisture. Braids, but twist, I have to do it on the first day that I wash my hair, because it is much easier for me to go back the next day to add oil and to give my hair a good scalp massage, so blood could be flowing and help my hair to continue to grow. That's it. And wait, once you're done, you can use a satin bonnet or satin hair cloth to wash your hair so your hair don't be dry. Okay, so if you know what I normally say at the end of the video, what do I say?